Hi there, this is Steve from One Life Training. As part of our current program, putting together some clips and DVDs for you. This is another one. This is we're going to look at the recovery position, as most people call it. Its proper name really is the safe airway position. It's the way of putting a casualty in a position that maintains their airway and helps them to breathe properly. Okay. There are various ways of doing it. This particular one is for a casualty that you suspect has a neck or spinal injury. With a normal recovery position, we tend to use the knee to pull somebody over, which is a useful lever, but it does twist the spine. This is when I think someone may have a spine injury or neck injury, but I do need to roll them over. Some people will say, well, why are you going to roll them over if they've got a neck or spine injury? You don't have to, but your priority in first aid is always breathing and airway, always. So if a person's on their back, they appear to be choking, they're coughing and spluttering, they may have vomit in the airway, whatever, you've got to roll them over. You do it as carefully as possible, but that is your priority. Okay, sometimes in first aid, some difficult choices to be made. This is one of those times, but your priority is always airway and breathing. So we're going to have to roll the casualty over because if nobody suspects a neck or spine injury, they've got to go on this side. So approach the casualty. As always, check for anything that's in the way. You're going to be pulling the casualty towards you, so you make sure you've got a clear space for them to come into. You have a quick look at the casualty. You may have seen what caused it. What we call mechanism of injury. You may have seen the thing happen, so you may know a bit more about it, but you may not. You have a quick look at the casualty. The casualty may have equipment, they might have tools, might have stuff around them that is going to cause a problem. You get it out of the way. You check the casualty for stuff. Small jewellery, watches, whatever, bracelets, you may or may not take off. It's up to you what you do. Bear in mind, if you take someone's property away from them, you're responsible for it. In a minute, the casualty is going to have their face onto their hand, so they may have sharp rings on their hand. So you may want to take that off, or you may have to think about covering up or whatever. Okay, you don't want to cause any more injuries just by moving somebody. For instance, now glasses, I see the casualties with glasses, so I'll gently remove the glasses because they're going to get in the way when I move it. So I'll put them to one side. Bear in mind, the casualty might need the glasses to see, so they might wake up, panic a bit, so keep them to hand. So you might have a pocket or somewhere to put them. Just make sure you know where you put it. Okay, again, things in pockets, quick check. Tools, screwdrivers, sharp objects, move them out of the way. Wallets and purses, maybe move them out of the way. But again, this is somebody's property, so be a bit careful about what you do with it. Maybe put it in a safe area. So I want to bring the casualty towards me because I want to get them on the side, which will open up the airway and keep the mouth clear. So first of all, take the hand coming towards me and gently as you can, slide it under the neck. That will help protect the neck. There. Don't force it. The person may be elderly, might be stiff, might be, they might have other stuff going on. So just try and gently put it there because that's going to support the casualty's face when they come over, okay, and the head. You may also, if you want, have a coat or something you can use as a pillow. If you can't get the hand under, you can put that under there. Have a cushion, so when it comes over, it's resting. So there we go. So hand goes under, okay. You want to get the legs together as close as you can. Again, you're moving the casualty with suspected spinal neck injury. So you just very gently put stuff together because you're going to roll them that way, okay? Everything you do when you're doing this particular movement is gentle, slow, careful. Next thing there, you're going to bring the hand over gently, there, and you've got the casualty's elbow, okay? Bear in mind, your casualty will be completely floppy now, all right? They're unconscious, they're not going to support themselves anyway, so they are dead weight. So bear in mind, everything you move is going to be heavy, so keep that in mind. You go over there, elbow to elbow, hands on the shoulder there. So your shoulder, you've got hold there, and also you're sort of supporting the casualty's arm, elbow to elbow there. Your left hand there, your right hand there onto the hip. Okay, give yourself some space. Quick check, everything's okay. And you bring the casualty over very gently. As you can see, the casualty comes over straight. They come over straight. And do the feet. There we are. There. They'll come over there. Onto their front there. Again, check the head, move it back, make the hands move around and comfortable, open the mouth a bit if you can. Your aim is nice, straight, clear airway. Okay, if they vomit, it comes out there and they can breathe properly there. Tongue is also flopped to one side, so the tongue won't get in the way. Okay, adjust your casualty, check for other injuries, keep them warm if you need to, keep them calm, talk to them even though they appear to be unconscious, keep talking, and talk to any bystanders. In this situation, with an unconscious casualty with a suspected spinal injury, you'll be called the ambulance. If you haven't called the ambulance yet, you need to be doing it now.